Hi, good morning. Please introduce yourself.
Hi, good morning, Mom and Sir. My name is Nympha Y. Chavez. I am 38 years old.
Are you single or married?
I am married.
How many kids do you have?
I have three kids.
What is the ages of your kids?
My eldest is 24, the second is 19 years old, and the last one, 13 years old.
All boys?
Yes, they are all boys.
Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have one brother and two sisters.
Okay, and you are the youngest of the family?
Yes, I am the youngest of my family.
Okay, what is your education?
My education is AB Theology.
Okay, did you finish your study?
I am undergrad. I just took 2 years of theology, AB Theology.
Okay, what is your job experience as a housemaid or domestic helper?
Yeah, I experienced working in Dubai as a babysitter and also a cleaner. I do cooking, iron, and washing clothes.
So in your employer house, how many adults?
There are two and one baby.
Okay, so if the baby is crying, what will you do?
The first thing that I would do, I would check the diaper if it is wet. And if it's wet, I will change it. And I will also check the temperature. And I do feed the baby with the milk.
Okay, very good. So if children is very naughty and not listening to you, what will you do?
I will sing will sing a nursery song and read them books and play for them and sing.
Do you have a big patience for them?
Yeah, I have a big patience for them.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, if a baby, newborn baby or a kid is taking a bath, what will you do and what you need to prepare?
So I need to prepare first lukewarm water, soap, and a towel.
Okay, I need what do you need to be careful during taking a bath of the baby?
I would take good care the ears, nose, and the eyes to avoid to put the soap inside in the eyes and the nose and everything.
Okay. So why do you want to come in Hong Kong?
First, I would like to earn money to help to support my family, especially the needs, and for the support of the schools of my children.
Okay, when do you work in Hong Kong? Who will take care of your kids?
My husband.
Okay, so if in working in Hong Kong, we cannot avoid the homesick. So for you, how can you handle it?
So first and foremost, I would pray, and at the same time, I would treat my employer as my real family and focus in my work and my goal why I work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family.
Do you love cooking?
Yes, I do.
What food can you cook?
Mostly Filipino native foods.
Okay, but are you willing to cook Chinese food?
Yes, I am willing.
Are you scared dogs and cats?
No?
Okay, so can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, I do. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, and you surely what to do. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Okay, thank you. Can you take care of other person and assist them with their needs?
Yes, sir.
If the employer have a car, are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, I am willing.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
Yes, I have.
In which side or in which part of your body?
I have in my legs and I have also in my hands.
Okay. So in Hong Kong, can you promise to cut your shirt before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes.
Okay. Lastly, what is your message to your future employer to hire you?
Hi, Mom, Sir. I hope that you will hire me, and I am really willing to do a hard work. I am an honest person, a God-fearing, and I will do my best to do the housework.
Can you promise to finish the 2 years contract?
Yes, I will promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Okay, thank you. See you in Hong Kong.
Welcome.